Okay, we got cut off, but we left off realizing that b equals 1 minus 6/5, which is equal to negative 1/5. So the final form of our equation is y equals negative 3/5 x minus 1/5. That is our line parallel to the given line and going through the point negative 2, 1. The next part, we want a line that is perpendicular, which means this slope will be a positive 5/3 and shares the same horizontal intercept. This means we have to figure out what the horizontal intercept is. We'll take a moment to find that first. We have y equals negative 3/5 x plus 23/5. You could also, and this might actually be easier for this part, is I'm going to, instead of pulling down the slope-intercept form, I'm going to use the standard form of 3x plus 5y equals 23. Recall so this is the original line we were given. Recall that the horizontal intercept, that's where we cross the x-axis, it's our value of our input when our output is 0. So to find the horizontal intercept, we want to set y equal to 0. This means 3x plus 5 times 0 equals 23. 3x equals 23. X equals 23 over 3, or 7.6 repeating. Our horizontal intercept is the point 7.6 repeating, comma 0, or 23 over 3, 0. Or if you really want a mixed fraction, you do 7 2/3, comma 0. All three are the same point. Now that we have both the slope and a point, finding the equation should be relatively simple. Again, the question did tell us to find this in slope-intercept form. To solve for b, we plug in the slope as well as our ordered pair that we have. I'm going to use the improper fraction. Remember, when we're multiplying fractions, we multiply across the numerator, giving us 115, and then we multiply across the denominator, giving us 9. So b equals negative 115 over 9, which, if we plug this into our calculators, we should find, or using extreme mental math, negative 12.78, or negative 12.7 repeating. Thus, our final form is y equals 5/3 x minus 12.78. This is the line that's perpendicular to the original, passing through the same horizontal intercept. One thing that I did forget to mention earlier is our notation for perpendicular lines. So if we have two lines that are perpendicular, sorry, I know my drawing is not the best right now, we write that L is perpendicular to M. And we use that little upside down T to indicate perpendicular lines. That does it for parallel and perpendicular lines. If you have any questions, make sure that you review the previous videos. And if you still have questions, feel free to come talk to me or send me an email.